Hello guys. Discoveries and inventions, general knowledge. Who invented optical fiber? Answer: Narinder Singh Kapani. Who invented radar? Answer: A. H. Taylor and Leo C. Young. Who produced the first automobile? Answer: Carl Benz. Who was associated with the creation of Pentium chip? Answer: Vinod Dham. Who invented the videotape? Answer: Charles Ginzburg. Who invented the laser? Answer: T. H. Mammon. Sphygmomanometer measure the blood pressure in the answer arteries. Who invented the oral polio vaccine? Answer: Albert Sabin. Who invented the voicemail? Answer: Gordon Matthews. Who is the father of cellular phone? Answer: Martin Cooper. What is the name given to the outermost planetoid discovered recently in the solar system? Answer: Sedna. Who introduced the use of artificial heart for surgery? Answer: Christian Barnard. Who built the first modern motor car? Answer: Carl Benz. Who developed the first automatic automobile? Answer: Henry Ford. Electron was discovered by answer: Joseph Thomson. The first thermionic valve was invented by answer: John Ambrose Fleming. Gunpowder was invented by answer: Roger Bacon. For which invention Otto Hahn is famous? Answer: nuclear fission. Leprosy bacillus was invented by answer: Koch. Who discovered cement? Answer: Joseph Aspidin. Who discovered North Pole? Answer: Robert Peary. Bacteria was first discovered by answer: Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Electron microscope was discovered by answer: Knoll and Ruska. Who invented penicillin? Answer: Alexander Fleming. Who invented vaccination for smallpox? Answer: Edward Jenner. Who invented the jet engine? Answer: Sir Frank Whittle. Who invented the chloroform as anesthetic? Answer: James Simpson. The telephone was invented by answer: Alexander Graham Bell. Who invented the hydrogen bomb? Answer: Edward Taylor. Who invented cinema? Answer: Nicholas and John Lumiere. Who invented Portland cement? Answer: Joseph Aspidin. Humidity is measured by answer: hygrometer. The computer was invented by Charles Babbage. Who is the inventor of the web? Answer: Tim Berners-Lee. Force of deflection was discovered by answer: Farrell. Analytical engine was designed by answer: Charles Babbage. Insulin was discovered by answer: Frederick Banting. Who discovered the solar system? Answer: Copernicus. Who invented aeroplane? Answer: Wright brothers, Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright. Who discovered electromagnetic nature of light? Answer: Maxwell. Who is the founder of quantum theory of radiation? Answer: Max Planck. Blood group was discovered by answer: Lance Steiner. Who introduced the concept of stored program? Answer: John von Neumann. Meteorology is a science of answer meteors. The purity of milk is determined by answer lactometer. Radioactivity was discovered by answer Henry Becquerel. The study of drug and their action is known as answer pharmacology. Root pressure is measured by answer oxanometer. Who discovered radium? Answer Marie Curie. Crescograph was invented by answer J.C. Bose. Name the branch of zoology that deals with the scientific study of animal behavior. Answer ethology. Study of atmospheric phenomena is called meteorology. Electric current is measured by answer ammeter. Who discovered the first antibiotic? Answer Alexander Fleming. Waxman got the Nobel Prize for the discovery of answer streptomycin. Phycology is the study of answer algae. Who invented the safety razor? Answer Gillette. The instrument used to measure pressure. Answer aneroid barometer. Who invented the battery? Answer Volta. Who discovered the link between electricity and magnetism? Answer Maxwell. Araneology is the study of answer study of spiders. Planimeter is used to measure answer areas. The term ecosystem was proposed by answer Arthur Tansley. Gas engine was invented by answer Daimler. Arboriculture is the study of answer cultivation and trees and vegetables. Venturi meter is used to measure answer rate of flow of liquids. Who invented the mobile phone? Answer Martin Cooper. Seismography is the science of answer earthquake. Infrared radiations are detected by answer photometer.